Hello Micro Machines fans, this is the final first round race in the New Year's Resolution 2022 tournament. It takes place at the Corvette Raceway Playset Big Track with a best out of 5 mode. Thanks again for watching the video. Please do not forget to subscribe, leave a like and a comment what your favorite Micro Machines vehicle is. So now let's learn more about our today's opponents. Here is the 2019 Corvette ZR1 with a top speed of 342 km per hour and a coolness factor of 9, and the opponent. The Camaro Iroc-Z with a top speed of 235 km per hour and a coolness factor of 7. Let's start the race. First round, and the Corvette spins into the finish line. Well done, first win. Let's go to the second lap. Oh no, a tire blowout from the Camaro. So another win for the Corvette. Third lap. The Camaro leaves the racetrack and the Corvette slides into the finish line. Well done. Oh, and in the fourth lap the same thing happens with the Camaro. Again leaving the racetrack and another win. So it's 4-0 and the last one. And this is another very close win for the Corvette. So it's the first time ever that we see 5-0 in a race here on the channel. So stay tuned for more race action from Micro Machines, and please do not forget to visit also my database website Figuren-in-Action.de. Thanks for watching.